Unraveling the mystery of a gray goose chase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a rather intriguing phrase, a gray goose chase. Now, you might be scratching your head, wondering what geese have to do with English learning. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the meaning and origin of this phrase but also how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. First off, it's important to note that the correct phrase is actually a wild goose chase, and it's a common mistake to mishear or misquote it as a gray goose chase. The phrase, a wild goose chase, refers to a futile pursuit or a pointless quest, something that's unlikely to yield results or is impossible to complete. Imagine trying to chase after a wild goose. It would lead you on a merry dance but ultimately prove to be an exercise in futility. The origin of a wild goose chase dates back to the 16th century. It was first recorded in Shakespeare's play, Romeo and Juliet, where it was used to describe a horse race in which horses followed a led horse in a formation similar to wild geese flying in a V shape. Over time, the meaning evolved to symbolize any pointless or hopeless pursuit, much like trying to catch a wild goose by running after it. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but using it correctly in conversation is another. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. Trying to convince him to change his mind is like a wild goose chase. He's very stubborn. Looking for my lost earring in the park felt like a wild goose chase. She realized that finding the perfect dress for the occasion was becoming a wild goose chase. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal experiences to more metaphorical pursuits. And there you have it, the mystery of a gray goose chase, or more accurately, a wild goose chase, revealed. We hope this video has not only clarified the meaning and origin of this fascinating phrase but also shown you how to use it effectively in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discoveries, so never hesitate to explore new phrases and expressions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.